Welcome everybody, what's going on? I hope everybody's having an awesome day so far. It's that time. We got 70 acres of beans left to pick and we're about to get started. About to hook up the grain cart right now. Hook it up to the 8235. I've been waiting on this, man. I know you guys have too. Let's do it. Oh yeah. The 8235R. This is like our newest tractor. I love it. I don't get to drive it too often, but I'm driving this bad boy today. Oh yes, like a Cadillac, even better. Ooh, don't you love that sound? Got the green star activated. Let's see if I can do this by myself. Almost there. You got this, drippy. You got this, drippy. Focus, focus. Oh, it's so straight. It does not get straighter than that. Yeah, baby, you love to see it. Here we go. Now to hook up the grain cart, first we gotta raise this jack up a bit. Somebody didn't put the jack on the way right, but it's okay. We're so freaking close. I think we got it. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to put this PTO on. Get this PTO shaft in the best I can. It's actually slotted in easier than I thought. That's it. Well, boys and girls, today I'm on grain cart duty. I got my chips, got my soda, I got my water, got my phone, got my charger, got my glasses, got my hat. I think I'm all set to go. We've been out in the field for a couple hours now. As you can see, I'm unloading some beans onto the truck right in a second. See it topping off. Look at that. Beautiful sight, right? Let me pull it here a little bit to make sure, get it nice and even. The best I can. Honestly, I didn't get as close to the truck as I wanted to, but it'll be all right. I think we got this. Just turn my wheels real sharp as I back up. Beautiful. You love to see it. That's all money going in there, boys and girls. Cash flow. If you could guess how many beans are in there, you have got to be the smartest guy in the world. Like, it's got to be a gazillion. I mean, the number probably doesn't even exist for how many beans are in there. Write your guess down in the comments. I would love to see what everybody thinks. What's going on, you guys? I'm on truck driver duty right now, waiting on my dad. Looks like my brother had a late night last night, or a headache, one or the other. My dad's back there, far away. Try to get some good video of him. Getting those little bit of leftover beans. Yeah, but. Oh, he's about to load onto the grain cart right now. See, this is when I want a drone. If I had a drone right now, this would be some awesome footage. This is the old dump truck I'm driving right here. An old International, I'm not too sure which year though. I think it's the mid 2000s, early 2000s. Not too sure on how many bushels we can put on there. Do a little walk around over. Had it for a few years. Got something else to show you. You want to see how we start this bad boy? It's crazy. Oh, ignore the dirt. I mean the dust. Turn the key right here. The key's not working, so we got to turn it like this. Now that's what I call a real push to start. Literally. That's a real push to start, boys. Don't let Tesla fool you. They got it from us. Elon Musk, I'm coming for you. You better watch out. Here comes my brother right now. About to load on here. That's what it looks like from this angle. Too dusty for me right this second. Okay guys, let's go to the granary. Remember Elon Musk? I'm coming for you. This is a push to start right here. The original push to start. Not none of that fancy smancy wancy. Come on guys, let's go on a ride. Testing, testing, perfect. Okay guys. This right here is where we take our grain at. We store it here, we sell it here. Most of our stuff happens here because we don't have any grain bins. We actually have a couple of grain bins, but they're really old. They're very, very old, so we don't store nothing in there except for oats. We just put our oats for our cattle. As you guys might know or not know, we also have about 30, 40 cows on our land. But yeah, normally, in the peak of harvest season, this place is normally jam-packed. I'm talking about a line of trucks a freaking mile long or longer. But yeah, you see where that truck's set right there in front of me? That's a scale we go on. We park on that for about 5-10 seconds. They weigh the truck, and then we unload, we come back, we get our ticket, they tell us the information, yada, 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 and then we head back out to the field, rinse and repeat. Okay, this place right here is where we dump it at. We go right where that guy is, and we unload right there. He kind of guides us how we got to get. And now I just wait for the hand single. And it goes up. Right now I got my eyes on the guy behind me guiding me, telling when to stop dumping. Oh, all right, and wants me to go down. And she goes down. And we're good, he gave me the sign. Coming through here without hitting the mirrors. Fingers crossed. Dang, I'm a good driver, aren't I? Now we come back through here, go back on the scale, get a good weight. What's going on, everybody? Well, guess what? We did it. We're done with Harvest 2022. All the corn's done, all the beans are done, all the oats are planted, all the wheat is planted. We're done. It's the end of the busy season for us. Finally, we can kind of kick back, slow down, enjoy this nice fall weather, get our bellies full on Thanksgiving. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and also hit that like button. Until next time, my friends, peace.